Hi, thanks for stopping in. I have some great information for you. If you're an online marketing salesperson, you need to make this money, but you don't have another dime to pay out for education. Of course, we always need education. I love it. I love learning new things. My name is Darlene Matthews, and I am an online marketer. I love it. I love sales. But right now, what I love even more is a vehicle to make income while I'm in my educational journey. Okay, and I know you're in the same boat. But another stream of income is not going to hurt anyone. And even if if you're new to online making money, this is a little offline, but or online, it doesn't matter. But now, without paying another extra dime, you can market to small business owners. I don't care what size, and give them something that they can use, and it's up to them. And you'll get paid if they say, "Oh yeah, I can use this for my company." Fine, you get paid. There's nothing else for you to do. It's amazing, and it's better to get in now before the owner of the company is charging monthly fees or training fees. Right now, everything is free. This company's been out for years. I want to say 1997, but I'm like, this is a gem. So go through, find out how you can make this extra money and still have pride and seem like a specialist at the same time without paying extra money. Okay, click the link while the free offer is still here. Okay, I just want to bring this to you. Hopefully you can well, you will make money. It's not hard. You just seeing your local small businesses or emailing the large businesses. It doesn't matter. Anything that you haven't learned, you're going to learn along the way with this company. This is going to be another stream of income. This is easy. I don't care how old you are. I don't care what your online knowledge is. If you need extra stream of income, maybe you're a senior, maybe you're somebody just going to college, maybe you've been struggling with marketing and it's just not working for you. Maybe it is working for you, but you're not making enough money. Then you click that link right there. I did, and I'm so I found these people. It was a matter of a phone call that I made, and I couldn't believe that no one, you're not out here the way you need to be. You've been out here all these years, and you guys are making money like this, and we don't know about it. You know about it now. Click that link and get on board making this income. I'm talking about high ticket item without all the strings attached to make your money. And they're still growing. They're about to take off now. Be a part of this while it's free to get in. All right, enjoy, make that money.